Okay, guys, let's talk about Microvision because it's been actually bumping now. Is a bit, we see a bit of consolidation. The price is actually going back to the last support that we've been testing 2 months ago. I think we talked about it, and I told you guys to buy at those price level because it was perfect price to buy it at before we did the video. And if we can see right now, without further ado, let's get right to it and see what's happening. Last video that we did actually on April 5th, I told you guys if the price go around the $10.13 will be perfect price to buy at, and this is exactly what's happened on the 5th of April. Look with me, we hit our support. After the support, we actually jump as high as this level that I'm gonna draw right now here. Was perfect price. We went as high as the 27 and take profit was at 22 for us. That's why was a perfect trade that we did, almost 100%. And now the price, if we want to look for the price, what's happened, we've been in a roller coaster ride for Microvision, guys. Was crazy. Been actually going up, and always every time we got rejected around this technical area around the 24.13. So this is really important to note, guys. As you can look from the chart, you need to be patient because it take a bit of time to hit our target. A lot of time a lot of people like wait 1 week or two or even 1 month, and they just leave the trade, and or they just get from like with a loss if they see the price drop. But always have at least a technical level for the support and resistance, and like a strategy. When you get out, and not just by luck, and you just get in the market blindfolded. This is really bad, and will drag you to let the loser run and cut the winner short. So this is really important to note. So let's see what's happening for Microvision in coming days. We hit with the massive rejection around the 24.13, and this is a really important level. Now we've the price right now looking for support, and the support and key level area will be around this level. Would be perfect price to buy at because we have this perfect doing higher lows since then, and we want to see a bit of support here, guys, to see a bit of buying pressure to take us again to about the 24. But as I said, guys, we need to be patient here to see the price actually go again around the 24. Every time after any price jump, we're gonna see a consolidation, and will be the key level area for us for Microvision to get in. And any price actually go below here, we don't get in because the price will go even lower around this level again, around $10.36. Be careful because I don't want to get in and catching a falling knife. So if there's a sign of weakness, there's no accumulation around our support, is the price is actually not there and going lower. So for me, if I want to get in, I want the price will be gravitate above our the 1480, or will be perfectly above the 15 would be perfect, but even above the $14.80 and precisely above our exponential average here will be a really nice trade to take, and ride this one again until the $19.31. This is the first taken profit, because will be more sure way to take a profit around the $19 exactly. It would be really nice taking profit if we want to take at least 26%, and this is really good to actually swing trade for Microvision. Depends on your strategy, so define yourself first before you get in or you get out. So this is, as I said, guys, I want to just do this video to show you. This is a bit of training for you guys, because as I said here at the 5th of April, I told you guys to buy around the $10.13 and see how long long we have to wait for this one. It was like here at the 5th of April, and if we calculate it, we get down for another 14 days. After the 14 days, after 5 days, we saw the jump. So if we bought around the 13 and waited patiently, you actually, after 5 days, we saw this big massive jump of 150%. So this is really important and a good lesson for you guys to see. Any strategy need time, a bit of time to see it grow. Anything. If you want to grow a tree, you need a bit of time to see it grow and go bigger and stronger. So it's not like you be planted like a seed and you just wait in front of it and you want it to grow in one day. Come on. So this is making common sense. Even in nature is not natural. This if it happened, this is magic, and the real thing without wishful thinking, you have to wait to see your strategy play through, and always stick to your strategy. Don't actually jump and go to buy another stock, go another and buy a stock, and this you buy and you see it drop and you just cut your losses, but you don't stick to your strategy because you felt FOMO and you go to another stock. This is a recipe for disaster, and you go from bad trade to bad trade to bad trade, and you never going wrong. And what's going wrong is you never stick to your strategy. That's it. You have to stick to your strategy even if it's wrong, but you go back and see after studying yourself really good, you see what's it happened wrong and you can fix it. But if you don't stick to your strategy, you never know what's went wrong because you actually cut you never stay and hold for a bit to see the price go to your level first before you actually admit that you're wrong. So this is a really good a plan to actually try and your strategy. And if you want to perfect your strategy and go in depth about your back trade and try to perfect it, go check our Patreon in the comment section below, and we can go through it together. You can choose which tire you want to go with, and we are already 24 by today, 24 hunters. So join us, guys, and let's get right to hunting. So without further ado, bless the like button and let's get right to it.